Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to talk about solution concentration for the section 2 of chapter 14 for the chemistry and honors chemistry classes. This is going to be part 1 of multiple videos because I got to have time to work out example problems with you. And if I make the videos too big, they take forever to upload to Google and YouTube, so we're not doing that. All right, so the first thing I want to talk about is percent by mass and percent by volume. These work just like the other percent equations that we've done, right? Percent by mass equals the mass of solute divided by mass of the solution times 100. Right? The times 100 gives us the percent. Notice that this is not mass of solute to mass of solvent. This is mass of solute out of the total mass of the solution. Right? We're going to do number 10 on page 481 together. Number 10 reads, you have 1500.0 grams of bleach solution. The percent by mass of the solute sodium hypochlorite, which is NaOCl, is 3.62%. How many grams of NaOCl are in the solution? So they're giving us the percent, right? And then they tell us that there's 1500 grams of the total solution. And we are looking for mass of the solute. I'm just going to use a lowercase m for mass here because it's the only mass we need to worry about. And of course, times 100. I can divide 100 in my head. So I'm going to modify it to that. All right, so 0.0362 equals m divided by 1500. Multiply both sides by 1500. Right, hit pause, make sure you can put this in your calculator. You guys know the drill. Right. The way that this is written, the bleach has 5 significant figures, while the sodium hypochlorite has 3. So this is 3 significant figures, and we're done. All right. If you need practice on those, do the other practice problems on page 481 and send me your work and I can give you the answers. Percent by volume is super similar to this. The practice problem we're going to do is on page 482, so while you flip there, I'm going to erase this stuff. Pretty much the same setup. Note that this is volume of solute per volume of solution. So again, the amount we care about out of the total amount. All right, we're going to do number 13 on page 482. Number 13 reads, what is the percent by volume of ethanol in a solution that contains 35 milliliters of ethanol dissolved in 155 milliliters of water? As long as our volume units are the same, they're going to cancel out, so we don't need to do any conversions. All right, so as you can see, those cancel. So it's just 35 divided by 155 times 100. Remember, this times 100 is just so that we get a percent value. So put that in your calculator. make sure you can solve it, hit pause while you work. I got 18%. And that's because this is 2 sig figs, that's 3 sig figs, so we're limited to 2 sig figs here. Alright, this is the end of this video because the next one, I'm gonna do a couple of practice problems on again, and like I said, don't wanna make these videos too long.